Hello. Inovio has been tearing it up recently, and in the last week and a bit, the stock price has gone up 21.19% and is still going up. What on earth is happening? There's been one huge piece of news that just came out, and we listened to the founder of Interactive Brokers and what he thinks may be forthcoming, which is basically short squeezes all over the market. What does that mean as a setup for Inovio? Stay tuned for this and more. Keep it simple. Well. In Inovio's partnership section of their website, we can see that they list all their biopharma partners, and it's this one that we're talking about today, Geneos Therapeutics, which in August 2016, Inovio incorporated them as a subsidiary. Geneos Therapeutics Inc. are to develop and commercialize neoantigen-based personalized cancer therapies, and they do so by leveraging their precisely designed plasmids and using the Selectra delivery technologies to break tolerance and create cancer products targeting shared tumor-specific antigens. Inovio have also licensed their Syncon and Selectra technology platform to Geneos to be used in this field of personalized neoantigen-based therapy for cancer. So what's the big news? On March 24, Geneos Therapeutics secured a $17 million Series A2 financing to advance personalized cancer immunotherapy platform. The financing was led by Fleury Invest and Dr. Ted, I'm going to butcher this, Faulman, who joins Geneos' board of directors following this. So, Geneos Therapeutics, a clinical biotherapeutics company focused on the development of tumor neoantigen targeted personalized immunotherapies, announced today that it has secured the $17 million in Series A2 financing, and this financing was led by Fleury Invest with participation from all existing Series A investors, which include Sante Ventures, Korea Investment Partners, Global Biofund, and, check this, Inovio Pharmaceuticals. In conjunction with the financing, Dr. Ted Faulman, who's a partner at Fleury Invest, joined Geneos' board of directors. So, Geneos' personalized immunotherapy shows compelling clinical data in liver cancer patients, and the approach is well differentiated from the competition. Holy smokes, this could be something big. Fleury is delighted to work with the team and a great set of investors to accelerate, that's key, accelerate the clinical development of this innovative platform technology. The proceeds will be used for expansion of the company's GT30 phase 1B/2A clinical trial. GT30 evaluates Geneos' personalized cancer vaccine, Genos PVO2, for treating patients with advanced HCC, which is a type of liver cancer. Genos PVO2, and it's a DNA plasmid-based product designed and manufactured for each patient based on their unique tumor mutations, the neoantigens, identified by sequencing each patient's tumor. Geneos will increase the number of patients treated from 24 to 36. Additionally, the proceeds will fund pipeline expansions into a new indication and continued company operations. This is key right here. The Series A2 financing will enable them to expand the current pipeline by leveraging the versatility of their GT Epic trademarked platform and capitalize on its initial differentiated success in this difficult to treat type of liver cancer. They reported tumor reduction in over half of the patients and 3 partial responses by RECIST 1.1 in the first 12 patients treated, and continue to see a similar trend in the next 12 patients. We look forward to showcasing the durability of response data and reporting key milestone efficacy data from 24 patients this year, 2022. This could be absolutely huge. And just so you know, globally, liver cancers are the 4th most common cause of cancer-related death and ranks 6th in terms of annual incidence. The rate of death from liver cancer in the US has increased 43% from 2000 to 2016, and with a 5-year survival rate of 18% for advanced liver cancer, it is the second most deadly tumor behind pancreatic. HCC accounts for the majority of primary liver cancers. To say that this cure, if proven, is going to be big is an understatement of the highest order. And why is this key for Inovio? Geneos Therapeutics is a subsidiary of Inovio. And so looking at the Geneos website, you can see that they are bringing patient-specific tumor-targeted immunotherapies to the world, one patient at a time. Their GT Epic TM platform looks to be completely legit, and it's even trademarked. When we look at the pipeline that Geneos has, they have in phase 2 trials right now GT30 for HCC, and when we go to GT30, we see that the estimated study completion date is February 2022. We're already past this, which means the results could be very forthcoming indeed. And if the results are positive, oh me oh my, they could literally explode and go for a phase 3 imminent study trial, which is why I believe they have just secured this amount of money to continue their trial, because they know that the results are strong. Let me know what you think of this and what it means for Inovio moving forwards. The short interest is still at sky high levels for Inovio stock, and more importantly, the dark pools are still through the roof. So why not listen to Mr. Interactive Brokers himself, who recently went on CNBC and gave us his verdict of events to come. Listen very closely.
Yeah, so interestingly enough, our customers, Interactive Brokers customers, are not participating in this latest rally, in spite of the fact that IBKR offers margins as low as 1.83% to all the way down to 0.83%. Our customers' margin loans have decreased by about $8.5 billion, or roughly 17% in the current quarter. Similarly, free cash deposits have increased by 7% to $95 billion. So most IBKR customers do not seem to believe the current rally. And I think that they think that there'll be a better opportunity later to get back into the market.
What on earth does that mean? Who's buying the stock? The stock is going up. And then referring to the Fed rate hikes. This is critical. Listen to what he's saying here.
The higher they raise the rates, the higher interest rate payments will become on the freshly issued debt that will contribute to the nation's indebtedness. I think Treasury made a big mistake in not refinancing at much lower rates while they were available. And this situation is further aggravated by the very high level of borrowings in the $11 trillion private equity space, where managers have been trading companies among each other at ever higher prices, loaded with more and more debt. That worked just fine with, well, interest rates were zero, but they will not work at 3, 4, 5%. So I think we'll see a lot of bankruptcies in this space.
And what I get from that is he's referring to the liquidations or the coming liquidations of various short hedge funds positions as they fail to meet the margin requirements. So when we look at the chart of Inovio, we clearly bottom right here at $2.82. And when we look at the Fibonacci retracement, it aligns to $4 being the next major level of resistance. If we break through this, we are going all the way to $4 and change. Even looking at the volume indicator, we can see recently there have been some big spikes in volume for the stock. But who's been buying? It may still be too early to say that we have bottomed and the only way from here is up, because the market is absolutely crazy. The volatility in the market is ridiculously high. So please take this drill with precaution and always do your own DD before investing in any stock, particularly explosive exponential potential growth stocks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then do me a favor and hit the subscribe, or if you want to support me even further, hit the join button. I am a simple trader and I try to keep this one fairly simple, and will simply see you in the next one.